Retiring early. It's the dream, right? But for one guy, it created a huge 8-year problem.
Yep, 8 full years. That's the income gap he has to bridge, with no paycheck coming in. For this engineer, this isn't some thought experiment. Nope, this is his life now. So let's meet him. He just wrapped up a 30-year career working for one major company. You can see his work ethic started early, leading to decades of dedication. And here's a cool fact. He helped make stuff that's probably in your house right now. But that decision to retire early, well, it sparked an immediate and major money problem. He's just 52. That's way before most people even think about retiring. And he's got a pretty hefty retirement fund, 10 million Philippine pesos. Here's the catch, though. His official pension doesn't actually kick in until he's 60. So that creates an 8-year gap he has to cover completely with his savings. As he put it, the pressure is on to squeeze money out of everything he's got. He calls it his 8-year financial bridge. And yeah, it's going to take some serious planning. But his story isn't totally unique. It's actually part of a much, much bigger trend. People are calling it the retirement tsunami. It's not just financial, it's a huge psychological shift. So you've got the money side, sure, but then there's the whole mental game of it all. So what's his plan to tackle both challenges? Well, he's doing something pretty unique. He's going to cross that bridge and document everything, the good and the bad, for all of us to see. And why does this matter? Because his journey could literally be a roadmap for others. A few big takeaways here. You have to plan for income gaps, and the mental shift is real. Which really makes you think, doesn't it? What does your retirement bridge look like?